Ooh. I can see another funny home video show coming on.
Good boy.
Oh, I think you're going back to sleep.
Doesn't want to get up too much. You don't want to get up, do you? Just come right in, I'll bring it to you. Pump it up, man.
Oh, shite. That was brilliant. Back to snoring again.